Well, guys, so I was blocked on live. So I'm going to make this very direct. So, TikTok, you do not have any type of system put in place for if someone is discriminating against someone else and reports their profile or reports their live, that you actually go and take the time to actually look in the moment of what's going on in the middle of a live, which live is always happening, so you should always be having somebody available to look at the live. So because of someone discriminating against me for simply putting on makeup as a drag queen and teaching individuals how to be more comfortable and confident in their natural skin, and then of course teaching them something to make them even more successful in their day-to-day, because guess what? Makeup is just that, making up the face to create confidence, okay? So what you did just now is showed that you as TikTok are being, what? Showing discrimination because you don't have anything in place to make sure that individuals like myself that are on here spreading positivity and always being professional and always showing the professional way of doing something. I don't discriminate, I don't show hate, I don't have bad comments, I don't do anything. And now, guess what? You have no one available to answer my emails. You have no one to be able to answer anything on here as far as questions. Me reporting abuse for my things constantly being blocked because you are, as TikTok, are not paying attention to your creators. And guess what? It doesn't feel good. It is 2021 and diversity and inclusion is a huge, huge, huge topic, if you haven't guessed. You would think that your platform is diversity and inclusion driven. It technically is when it comes to actually letting us create what we want to create. But because you have nothing in place, I am now sitting here looking like this mid-makeup with over 700 people viewing at one time, okay? My fabulous tailor tots were supporting me with over 8,000 diamonds, and we had only been in there for an hour. Now, my tailor tots and my fabulous viewers are now going to be disappointed because this is what they finished seeing. And I'm not even done with my makeup. I'm sitting here in a full costume, full body, full everything. And because of it, somebody being discrimination against myself, honey, guess what? Guess who's got the short end of the stick here? So TikTok, you need to do better. You need to do better. You need to put things in place to protect your fabulous creators and, of course, protect the people that are on here viewing. We should not have to fight this hard. We're bringing you people, we're bringing you revenue. Do better. Because I'm sitting here looking like this. It is now 1 o'clock in the morning, and I have still not heard back from anybody, and it's been over an hour since I submitted my appeal to being banned.